Hello, everybody. This is your daily real estate practice exam question, and this was a doozy from a Facebook group. I absolutely love this question. This was a good one. So let's just jump right into it. A property is encumbered by a first mortgage of $60,000 and a second mortgage of $23,500. The property has just been sold at a foreclosure auction to a speculating investor. It doesn't need to be there for $88,000. Okay, so the property sold for $88,000. Assume that all costs of the foreclosure sale, so all costs of the sale are included in these balances. So there's no further mental gymnastics we need to do. Which of the following statements is false regarding the distribution of funds? So we're looking to see, is this statement true? So each time we read one of the questions, one of the answers, we should be saying, is this true? Okay. Because if it is in fact not true, then that would be the correct answer for this question. So I went ahead and I did some calculations beforehand. And what happened was I took out the difference between 88,000. I combined these two numbers, okay, which gave me 83,500. And the difference between them was 4,500. Okay, so there was a $4,500 balance, right? So let's look at the first question, right? The first answer. I keep saying that. The first mortgage received 60,000. Is that true? Well, first answer, the first balance is 60,000. There are no other costs. So, yeah, the first one should receive 60,000 because there's enough funds there to cover that. So, that's a true statement. Second one. The second mortgage receives 23,500. Well, it is in fact 23,500, and we do know that there's a surplus of 4,500. So even if the first mortgage gets 60,000, there's still 23,500 left to make the to pay off the second mortgage. Okay. C, the second mortgage receives nothing unless it forced the foreclosure sale. Well, that's not true. So it looks like C's the winner, but let's look at D. D, the previous owner receives 4,500. Well, that's one that you're probably going to try to figure out if that was accurate or not, because some people are sitting there saying, okay, well, if there's a foreclosure auction, does the previous owner get the proceeds? And if there's a foreclosure auction, what happens is basically title has not changed hands. So like a bank has not taken ownership or actually have title to the property. So the previous owner would receive the $4,500. So that is a true statement in a foreclosure auction. Okay. So the false statement is C. The second mortgage receives nothing unless it forces a foreclosure sale. That is absolutely inaccurate. Guys, I hope this helped out. And also, if you have further questions about this, feel free to leave that below in the comments. And again, hit like, hit subscribe. I put these up every day, so I'll see you soon.